There are two important approaches to how a neural network propagates the signal of the input data. One is feed forward and the other is back propagation. Number one, the feed forward network, or FFN, is a network approach where the information moves in only one direction. It moves from input nodes through the hidden nodes, if present, and then to the output nodes. So, there is no other connection that moves the information in the opposite direction and forms cycles or loops in the network. Number two, whereas the back propagation network, or BPN, is opposite to the feed forward network. If we do not get the desired result as expected from the feed forward network, we move backward in the network to fine tune weights so that we can get closer to the desired output for the same inputs. By doing so, our network learns and adjusts the value of the weights accordingly.